much does it cost to do your course?
$765 for 3-day seminars. Then you can order online. You can watch anytime for 28 days.
Okay. Or you can just screen record it and keep it for life. Pain, I mean, you mix balance method, master tongue points, a principle. I mean, you seem to do a combination of more than just 4 or 5 points for back. So in your seminar, are you going to have the different combinations with Tan, Master Dong?
Yes.
And so
that's about it.
Opposite, yin, yang, all the different correlations. I Ching.
Chao Chen, after Chao Chen's idea. Yes.
Very exciting. I miss taking all those courses.
Everything's online right now. You can see we have Learn and Elevate. This is a special promotion that we have. 3 modules all together with 1 price. So please go online at eileenhan.com and you can see all the details. Yeah, you will do that.
Any tips that you would give to a provider, let's say, that's not struggling, but just not elevating? I love that, elevating.
Okay, guys, I have to tell you this. I've been saying that over and over again. When you're coming out from school, you learn so much. You learn so many information. You have so many chapters of 八纲辩证, 脏腑 diagnosis. You have 脾胃论. You have all these theories, but you don't have one that you use the most familiar with. So you need a very solid operating system. My recommendation for you is taking some of Dr. Tan's balance method, at least M1. You consolidate all your information and put it into a structure, a system, a thinking way. So you know exactly where to start with the patient, how to ask the question. You can ask a gazillion questions, but none of them useful. So you have to learn how to ask the question, which is also in module 1. So you know exactly that how can you asking the question to lead you to choosing the meridians, and then eventually you can treat them. So Dr. Tan's balance method is nothing new. It's what you already have learned. So that compile all the information together. So you connect them like neurons. They are connecting together. So you finally ding, 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 everything, the light bulbs up. So please learn that solidly and combine with the knowledge that you have from school, and that's it. And then nobody can stop you. That's it. That's all you can do. Please remember, just do the 1, 2, 3. You have to diagnose this with meridians, please.
So for the 1, 2, 3, how much does it cost to do your course?
$765 for 3-day seminars. You can watch anytime for 28 days.
Okay. Or you can just screen record it and keep it for life.
Oh my God.
28 days. Who does that?
Oh my God. I do. The reason why I asked you to do that, because I want you to learn it. I want you to give yourself that 28 days. I'm going to be master this one instead of 1 weekend. So that is very important. That's why I do that. I don't give you a year and you won't watch it. You won't watch it.
That's true. I mean, if you haven't done it probably in a month, then it's
you won't watch it. Yeah, you won't watch it.
Do they get a book with the class? Or?
No, you have to take your own notes. Dr. Tan says Confucius never give handouts. You have to write your own handouts.
Okay.
You have to write your own, so you remember, right? You go through your hand, you write it out. So that's why no handouts.
Do you do a year? Like how many?
Now?
Yeah, do you do like 3 a year?
I do 3 this year in Melbourne, Australia, and I will have 1 or 2 in Hong Kong for sure, and that's it.
You can link to Eileen's channel here. I will have the link. Go check out her videos. Those videos are up longer than 28 days. I mean,
oh yeah, any video that
you have headache, you have shoulder, you have back, you have TMJ. I mean, you can go watch your stuff for free.
What? It's on YouTube. It's already free.
It's on YouTube.
200 some video for you to watch.
Yeah, she's already screen recorded it for you.
Enjoy. Enjoy. Let me tell you this. When I remember that first day I had my company phone and company number, and I look at my phone and ask, why don't you ring? How come I don't have patience?
We've all been there.
Right? You remember those days? Remember those days?
I remember those days. I need patience.
And then I was like, phone, talk to me. Phone, talk to me. Right? You remember those days? Then I had one phone call. It says, Boston. I was like, Boston, it must be scanned, right? I picked that up anyway. I have that patient since the day one that I have my phone.
No way.
And she's still my patient now. I pick up that phone myself. I never let my phone without answer. I never let my phone without answer. Not even answering machine. Either I hire a person or I would answer myself.
That's true. You don't want to miss a call.
That is $800. $800 easy, gone. Okay?
I've had patients who actually have come in. I'm like, how did you find us? They're like,
You're the only one pick up the phone. Right? Pick up the phone if you want to be a cash practitioner. Pick up the phone. The other thing is you have to know that the patients are also pick and choose. They call all the numbers.
They do. They call it.
So you need to pick up the phone. That's the only thing you do. You pick up the phone. I think he's one of the person other than Dr. Tan helped me a lot at my practice to start the beginning. So 7 years. I'm in business of practice 7 years. I work so hard, 35 patient, 25 to 28 patient a day. I'm already up to here, and I also helping Dr. Tan for his. So it's about, we will have about 45 to 50 patient a day, plus me and Dr. Tan together. I am just tired. I'm just how many patients that's tired. So Shahid came to me, he said, hey, do you have anybody for your front desk? No, I can't afford to hire anybody. What are you talking about? You mean I can be responsible for somebody's life, right? Mm-hmm. You know what he did? You say that. You tell people.
I don't even remember.
Yeah. Okay. So he sent me an extern. He says to me, use her for a week. I say, no charge? Yeah, no charge. Have her help you for a week. See how you like. I was like, you sure no pay? Do I need to say, no, just teach her because she's from the extern program that he's in. So he sent her over. Once I have her in my office, my God, I starting from 27, 28 patients, that's max I can take. I go up to 35, 40 a day. And I was like, wow, I think I can pay her.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Then I hire her. She worked for me for about 7 years or 8 years, and she's learning to be a massage therapist or an acupuncturist now. Yeah. So I'm very happy, and she's amazing girl. And then to hire somebody, he helped me. Yeah. He really helped me to have that idea that I can afford to hire a person.
You can afford to hire. You can afford to hire. And it's good. I mean, if you're a practitioner and let's say you're just above the red and you're kind of, because you have to check patients in, check them out, take payments, set up appointments, you won't have time to see more than probably 2 patients an hour. Plus pick up your phone, and then if you're taking insurance to be on the phone with insurance companies, forget it. There's no way. But yeah, I mean, if you hire someone, especially from a school, if you're around, I mean, San Diego's pretty big, so LA, you can go to the schools. They need their externship, have them come in, train them. They're already interested in acupuncture. They can go take vitals. It just frees you up to just move throughout your clinic a lot easier.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I want to thank you again.
Huh? You like that?
He helped me so much. You didn't know that, huh?
No, I didn't know that.
It is very big steps. After that, everything changed. My life has just changed.
And start part-time. I think that is a great tip. Start part-time. Like I have 2 part-time front desk. One is in school and one is, stay-at-home mom. Not anymore. She's working, but still, And we pay them,
Decent,
yeah. I pay a lot because they both do insurance.
Yeah.
One does just work comp, Department of Labor, the other, and your PPOs, and the other one just does ASH. I have one that just only does ASH. That's how bad ASH is. Oh my God. That is how bad.
And then you not worry. You don't feel like I can't sleep at night until 12 o'clock if it has to do insurance until 11 and having dinner at 12.
doing
Remember-
M&Rs till midnight.
Do you remember those days?
Oh my goodness.
Right?
And then you're treating the patient, you're not being paid, you gotta do an M&R,
Mhm.
you don't want to have a break in care.
Mhm.
It's the worst system.
Right, and then once I hire people, I eliminated so many of these things
yeah.
that I don't need to do. I really happy about it. Thank you so much for giving me that push.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
you're
I would
welcome.
never be able to hire people.
Channel.
So-
We're here with Dr. Eileen Han, PhD, licensed acupuncturist, balanced method practitioner, and instructor at the Academy of Acupuncture. I'm going to drop that link below so you guys can check out her upcoming courses. Also, videos are online, definitely for Dr. Tan's method for neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain. And this is just a really great place to start. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Catch you on the next one.